knees are 1. We're going to bring our legs together. And we don't want the knees too close to the hips so you don't feel too pinchy there. And we're going to straighten one leg, knee to knee. And we're going to reach our arms up to the ceiling. Take an inhale. On your exhale, you're going to lift your head, neck, and chest and reach the arms forward on a parallel line to the legs. Okay, inhale. Exhale, scoop the belly and reach parallel line with the arm and legs. And then you're going to roll back down. Arms come up to the ceiling and switch legs. Inhale, exhale, scoop and lift. Roll down, knee bends, switch legs. Now you can stay with the one leg version, or you can try it with 2 legs. So for 2 legs, we will bring the knees in towards the chest and straighten the legs up and lengthen them away on that 45-degree angle. We take an inhale, exhale, scoop and reach towards the toes. Legs stay where they are. You roll the upper body down. Legs go up to the ceiling. Arms go up to the ceiling. Legs stay where they are. Inhale, exhale, scoop and lift. And roll back down. If the legs feel heavy, you can bend them. And you do the exact same thing. Inhale, exhale, scoop and reach. And all the way